Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and today I have 1000 plus best PowerPoint templates and slides in PPTX files for PowerPoint, and here is no password. All files are unlocked directly, you can download. Okay, and first you go here in my website. Here is all data without password, and then click on presentation, and here is PowerPoint for presentation. Okay, click here, and you scroll down. Here is Vera Creative PowerPoint presentation. Here is project professional PowerPoint, and here is PowerPoint templates. Here Olive photo mask PowerPoint templates, multi-purpose PowerPoint, and here is Minimal Pro presentation bundle. Wow. So click here on bundle, and you see here the file format key PPT, PPTX for Photoshop or other software like PowerPoint, and I don't know about key files, and file size is in here the 1 GB and 990 MB. So you wait here 30 seconds for download. You can download the file in 3, 2, 0. Okay, click here on download, and open next window, mega NAS, and you see there 989.7 MB files. So I know you can download. Okay, so I back there, and you see 1 2 3 4 5 8 sorry 6 7 8 9 and 10, and different 10 categories here. And next page is page 2, 11 12 13 14 15 and 16 17. Here is 17 different categories you can download and you can use it. Here is 12 in one PowerPoint present bundle. Amazing, you can see here, and you can use it in PowerPoint software. And sorry for background noises because I'm here. So okay, you can download here. Here is 9 MB file, and you can wait here 30 seconds. I hope this data useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.